Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the Rode Wireless Micro. This is an ultra compact wireless microphone camera kit, but it also includes a free smartphone receiver as well. Now this was very kindly sent in free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing this video with you so you can make an informed buying decision. Let's start by taking a quick look at the box. As you can see, the wireless micro here, very nice packaging, shows all the components on the front. Works with cameras, of course. You could use this with a mirrorless camera, but it also includes a USB-C smartphone receiver. So you could use it with your smartphone, or indeed you could use it with something like a computer as well. On the side here we have got the built-in microphones, universal camera compatibility, GainAssist, simple to use, which it really is. We've also got some details here about the Direct Connect, which enables seamless connectivity to iOS smartphones via Bluetooth through the Rode Capture app, and some other features detailed on the side here as well. Made for iPhone and iPad, so it will work with your iOS device. And now we'll take a look at the box contents. So we've got a quick start guide and also some regulatory and safety information. We've also got a charging cable, which is USB-C to USB-C, and you're going to use that to charge the battery case and the microphone and receiver inside. We've also got a connectivity cable, 3.5mm connections on either end. You're going to use that to plug in to the receiver and in turn connect this to your camera. That could be something like a mirrorless camera. I mentioned smartphone connectivity. This is the free USB-C smartphone receiver inside the box. You can use this with your smartphone or your camera. We've also got these two fluffy windshields. You're going to use these, you're going to clip them onto the microphones if you're using them outdoors or in windy conditions, and that helps suppress wind noise. Then we get the charging case, USB-C on the back, and this is what houses all of the components. So inside here, and you'll see the little LED lights lighting up on the front and also on the individual components. These are the two microphones, which are identical, and also the receiver. Let's take a look at one of the microphones. So very compact, really nicely designed. You can see the little grills across the top here. That's where the microphone is. And this is where you can clip this onto. It will go on this way, and the little wind muff will go over the microphones and suppress wind noise. Very compact, little contacts on the back for the charging case, and it's got a clip in it, so you can clip this to a shirt collar, for example, or indeed you can use the magnet, put the magnet inside your shirt, for example, and then put it onto the front of your shirt. And these are very discreet, really nicely designed, nice and small, and you'll get to hear the microphone very shortly. Now also inside here, so we've got another microphone, of course, we have got the receiver. So this is the receiver that you're going to use with your camera. This will fit onto the hot shoe or cold shoe of your camera. There's no contacts, it's just nice and easy to fit on there. And then in turn, you've got USB-C on the side, and also that connection there where you can use the included cable to connect to your camera. This side here is completely plain, and then we've just got a simple power button on the top. We've also got some buttons just here. So let me just remove one of the microphones briefly. This will turn the microphone on, it will automatically connect, and you could see how quick the connection was there, because now you're seeing the audio level meter on microphone 1 bounce up and down because it's receiving audio from this microphone. Very easy, it just automatically connects, so simple. It also shows the battery level on the microphone. So the battery levels on the left and right are for the two microphones, and then the battery level in the center here is for the receiver. So 3 different battery levels for the 3 components. Very cool indeed. We've also got some buttons on here as well. You'll see a button here and a button here. So we push the middle one. That takes us into the setup sort of menu. We've got output gain, output mode, brightness, and then back. If we go into, let's say for example, brightness, push the middle button, we can adjust the brightness. Use the middle button to confirm. So we can confirm that, and then we can go perhaps into output gain, and we can adjust the output gain here push the middle button to confirm. And if we want to go back to the main screen, we push the middle button again. It's as simple as that. Now let's get this connected so you can hear it in use. So what you're hearing now is the Rode wireless micro connected to my camera. And I think the audio quality sounds very good indeed. It's got nice depth to it, it's got nice detail and a nice tonal quality. I think the ease of connection is where this product really wins out. Also, the compact nature of it makes it a very, very discreet microphone. Super easy just to pop onto your shirt or a shirt collar, set up in seconds and get creating great quality audio to accompany your videos. I don't think you're going to be disappointed with this. The ease of use is exceptional and also the audio quality is excellent as well. So that's it for this video. I want to thank you all for watching. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. If you enjoyed my video, please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.